Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben and I am from the United States. I am happy you are here. Today we will learn English together. I will speak slowly and clearly. I will use simple words and simple sentences. This is a friendly place to practice. Today's episode is about traditions in my culture. I will talk about many traditions from my life. I will show you how to say things in simple English. I will give examples you can use. I will help you with words and sentences. This lesson is for learners at many levels. The ideas are simple. The language is simple. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and then try. Repeat after me when I ask you to repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Pause when you need to. Practice is very important. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live in a town near a city. My family is small. I have a mom and a dad. I have one sister. We have many traditions. I like to share a tradition with you. I will say the tradition slowly. Then I will say it again. Repeat after me. My name is Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am from the United States. I live near a city. I live near a city. I have a small family. I have a small family. We like to eat together. We like to eat together. Now listen to a longer introduction about my tradition. I will speak in full sentences. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. In my family we celebrate Thanksgiving. We eat turkey. We eat potatoes and vegetables. We tell what we are thankful for. I say thank you to my family. I say thank you to my friends. I say thank you for my health. I say thank you for my home. You can repeat after me. We celebrate Thanksgiving. We eat turkey and vegetables. We say what we are thankful for. Good job. Keep practicing. I will give more examples. I will talk slowly. I will give short pauses. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Traditions are things people do again and again. Traditions can be fun. Traditions can be serious. Traditions can bring people together. Traditions can show respect. Traditions can tell stories. Traditions can teach values. Traditions are part of culture. Traditions can be about food. Traditions can be about music. Traditions can be about dress. Traditions can be about greetings. Traditions can be about holidays. Traditions can change over time. Traditions can be shared with friends. In my culture we have many holidays. One big holiday is Thanksgiving. We gather with family. We eat a big meal. We talk and laugh. We show thanks. Another big holiday is Christmas. Some people decorate a tree. Some people exchange gifts. Some people go to church. Some people sing songs. We light candles or lights. We eat special food. We meet close family. These days feel warm and kind. Another tradition is the 4th of July. This is a holiday for my country. We celebrate our national day. We watch fireworks. We have barbecues. We wear red, white, and blue. We sing songs about our country. We feel proud. We spend time outside. This day is loud and bright. Many people visit parks. People picnic on blankets. Children play with safe toys. We remember history. We also enjoy the present. I will give small phrases to repeat. Repeat after me. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. These are simple phrases you can use. Food is an important part of tradition. In my family we have recipes from the past. My grandmother taught my mother how to cook. My mother taught me. We make the same dishes each year. The food brings back memories. The smell of baking can remind us of childhood. Food can be a way to say I love you. Many cultures show love with food. You can tell a story with a recipe. You can learn a word with a dish. Here are some simple food words to learn. Repeat after me. Turkey, turkey. Pie, pie. Potatoes, potatoes. Gravy, gravy. Bread, bread. Soup, soup. These words will help you talk about food in English. Family gatherings are also important. We sit at a table. We share food. We share stories. We ask about work and school. We listen to each other. We help each other. This is a time to relax. This is a time to remember. Children ask questions. Older people give advice. This is a gentle time. It is a good time to practice English. I will give a short conversation you can use at a family gathering. Listen and repeat. Hello, Grandpa. Hello, Grandpa. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. How is your health? How is your health? What did you do today? What did you do today? I played with the children. I played with the children. I made tea this morning. I made tea this morning. The conversation is polite and warm. Now you can pause and repeat each line. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Weddings are a special tradition for many people. We wear nice clothes. We celebrate love. We give gifts. We dance and sing. We take many photos. The ceremony can be large or small. Some ceremonies are at a church. Some are on a beach. Some are in a garden. Many people trim the cake. Many people toast the couple. The word toast means to say good wishes. We cheer and clap. This is a joyful time. Birthdays are another tradition. We celebrate a new year in a person's life. We sing a song. We clap and cheer. We give gifts. We blow out candles on a cake. We make a wish. Children love parties. Adults sometimes have quiet dinners. The simple phrase is happy birthday. Repeat after me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Make a wish. Make a wish. Funerals are traditions too. They are serious. We say goodbye to a person. We remember the life of the person. We support family and friends. We show respect and care. People may share stories. People may sing or pray. The tradition helps people heal. The words we use are gentle. We say, I am sorry for your loss. Repeat after me, I am sorry for your loss. I am sorry for your loss. This phrase shows care. Religious traditions are strong for many families. They can include prayer, songs, and rituals. People go to a house of worship. They meet others who share the same faith. They learn from teachers and elders. They read sacred books. They sing together. They give to charity. Religion can shape daily life. It can guide meals, clothing, and festivals. Another part of culture is music and dance. Songs can tell the story of a people. Dances can show history. At festivals we sing and dance. We wear bright clothes. We play drums or guitars. Music can make people move and smile. Children learn songs early. Songs teach language and rhythm. Dancing helps us feel part of a group. Clothing and dress can be part of tradition. Some clothes are for special events. Some clothes show social roles. Some clothes show identity. For example, we wear a suit to a formal event. We wear a uniform at work. We wear casual clothes at home. In some cultures, special garments are very important. Learning the right word for each type of clothing can help you describe a tradition. Gestures and polite words are also traditions. For example, in my culture, we shake hands for a greeting. We may hug close friends. We say please and thank you. We make eye contact to show respect. We say excuse me to pass by. Manners are a part of tradition. They help people live together with kindness. Community service can be a local tradition. Many people volunteer on holidays. They serve food to those in need. They clean parks. They plant trees. These actions show care for the community. They teach children to help others. They make the community stronger. Schools have traditions too. Some schools have a graduation day. Students wear caps and gowns. They walk across a stage. They get a diploma. Parents clap and take photos. Some schools have a homecoming day. Alumni come back for a game. There are dances and parades. These events make memories. Workplaces have rituals and traditions. Teams have meetings. There are holiday parties. There are awards for hard work. People celebrate retirements. Traditions at work can build team spirit. They can also show appreciation. Now I will give another example you can try. This is a short speech about a tradition. Listen and repeat when I ask. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being here. Today we celebrate our family tradition of making bread. We start early in the morning. We mix flour and water. We knead the dough with our hands. We sing a simple song while we wait. The bread smells warm and sweet. We share the bread with neighbors. This is how we show love. Thank you for listening. Repeat after me. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. We make bread early in the morning. We make bread early in the morning. We share the bread with neighbors. We share the bread with neighbors. It is helpful to learn key words for traditions. Here are many words. Repeat each word after me. Tradition. Tradition. Culture. Culture. Holiday. Holiday. Family. Family. Ceremony. Ceremony. Festival. Festival. Ritual. Ritual. Food. Food. Music. Music. Dance. Dance. Clothing. Clothing. Greeting. Greeting. Respect. Respect. Memory. Memory. Community. Community. Volunteer. Volunteer. Now I will give a practice task. Try to make a short paragraph about a tradition in your culture. Use simple sentences. You can use the words we learned. I will give a model. Read and repeat. In my village we have a festival every spring. We decorate the streets with flowers. We cook a special soup. We invite our neighbors. We sing and dance. Children play in the streets. The festival lasts 2 days. Many guests come from other towns. We feel happy and proud. This is a time for new beginnings. Now you try. Pause the video and speak. Say 3 or 4 sentences. Tell the viewer about a festival or a family custom. Use simple words. Use the words we learned. Pause now and speak. I will wait. Welcome back. Great job. Keep going. Practice a little each day. Speak with friends. Write short notes. Read simple stories about traditions. I will share tips to describe traditions in English. Tip 1. Use simple verbs. Use words like we celebrate, we eat, we sing, we give, we wear. Tip 2. Use time words. Say in the morning, at night, every year on Sunday. Tip 3. Use feelings. Say we feel happy, we feel proud, we feel sad, we feel peaceful. Tip 4. Use small details. Say the color, the smell, the sound, the taste. These details make your story clear and real. Now I will give a longer example. This is a story about a family holiday. Listen and repeat when I ask. My family loves to celebrate New Year. We clean the house on the last day of the year. We buy new candles and new tablecloths. We cook a special soup and dumplings. Children help set the table. At midnight we eat together. We count down from 10. We say Happy New Year. We give small gifts. We hug and smile. We make small plans for the new year. We say I will try to be kinder. We say I will learn something new. This tradition helps us hope for better days. Repeat some phrases. Repeat after me. We clean the house. We clean the house. We count down from 10. We count down from 10. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I will try to be kinder. I will try to be kinder. Stories are a good way to teach language. You can tell a short story about a custom. Use past simple to say what you did. Use present simple to say what you do now. Use future with will to say what you will do. For example, I walked to the market last week. I always buy a special bread. I will invite my friends next year. Now I will give more speaking practice. I will ask questions. Answer them out loud. Pause the video and speak. Question 1. What festival do you like the most? Question 2. What food do you eat at that festival? Question 3. Who do you celebrate with? Question 4. When do you celebrate it? Question 5. How do you feel during the celebration? Answer each question with 1 or 2 sentences. Use simple words and short sentences. Pause now and answer. Nice work. Keep practicing. Talking is the best way to learn. I want to give vocabulary again and short example sentences. Practice these lines. Repeat after me. We gather as a family. We gather as a family. We share a meal. We share a meal. We exchange gifts. We exchange gifts. We sing songs. We sing songs. We dance together. We dance together. We light candles. We light candles. We tell stories. We tell stories. We remember the past. We remember the past. Now I will tell you about a small tradition that many families have. My family has a tradition of telling a story after dinner. We sit on the couch. We turn off the lights. One person tells a memory. We listen quietly. We laugh or cry. These stories teach lessons. They keep family history alive. Try this at home with friends. Ask a question. Who will tell a story tonight? Who will tell a story tonight? You can try now. Learning to describe traditions will help you connect with others. People like to learn about culture. They like to share food. They like to listen to stories. When you speak about your traditions, you share a part of yourself. That helps build friendship. Practice a final short dialogue. This is a polite chat. I will speak both parts. Listen and then try with a friend. Hello. Hi. What do you do for New Year? We clean the house and cook special food. That sounds nice. Do you invite guests? Yes, we invite family and close friends. Do you give gifts? Sometimes we give small gifts. How do you feel during New Year? We feel happy and hopeful. Thank you for sharing. You are welcome. Repeat lines now. Hello. Hello. What do you do for New Year? What do you do for New Year? We clean the house and cook special food. We clean the house and cook special food. We feel happy and hopeful. We feel happy and hopeful. You are doing very well. Keep speaking. Keep listening. Keep repeating. That is almost the end of our lesson. I hope you feel ready to talk about traditions. Try to write a short paragraph about a tradition. Practice it out loud. Share it with a friend or a teacher. Use the simple sentences we practiced. Use the words we learned. Practice each day. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.